Reno, biggest little city in Reno, in Nevada. Oh, everybody's taking a picture. That's cute. Yay. Okay, we're going into SIRI'S Casino. All right, I'm gonna put this inside here because I don't know if we can record in there. So, SIRI'S Casino. I'm surprised I've never been in here. I wonder how big it is. You are gonna find out with us. Here we go.
Alright, for drink purpose.
Okay, let's see here. Adjusted. What is that?
Yeah. $5 craft beer, daiquiri. Oh,
Daiquiri. It's daiquiri.
Yeah.
Daiquiri. Oh, it's kind of small, but it's cool. There's the bar.
Jello shots. Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll just.
Look, our favorite machine.
Where the power up?
This one. We used to play this a lot in.
We used to play this a lot at the row.
Play it a lot in Vegas.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, win. I always usually win on that game at the win. Lucky Buddha. It's pretty small, but they got a lot of new games here though.
Gorgeous.
I want to try playing that jackpot carnival one day. Sometime, someday. Yeah. So what's over here? Oh, this is sports betting kiosks. SIRI'S bar, SIRI'S Casino Grill. Sports betting. Okay. So, they got alcohol, keno, games at the bar, and these games. Yeah. I never knew this was here. I wonder how old this place is. That's a big ass buffalo game. Yeah. Cool. Nevada. And that's it.
For $15.
Kind of fun. We'll cash this out. Yeah, look at that. We're up 90 cents. Yee. Oh, do they have a dragon link here where we can use 90 cents? Oh, I think. Oh, no, they give coins here. No, they give coins here.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're at the small casino and we just won 90 cents. That made a great video, everybody. Ooh, I got an old coin here. Is it old? It's not old. Look at.
Alright.
We have changed. We have changed, and I got the 20 back.
To play it without having to lose it.
Yes, that was our purpose.
That was great.
Our purpose in life is not to lose. To lose or not to lose. Join in for the next episode. Check this out, the Nugget, and then
Nugget?
Horseshoe. But there's no casino here. It's just artwork. It's closed. I wonder if it used to be a
Yeah.
casino.
Yeah.
Yeah, it used to be, huh? Good deal. Cal Neva. There you go. Who's gonna plug your ears when the 7 comes?